Hi everyone, welcome back for another video on Flickr. Now, I know I've been silent for quite some time, in fact, for a very long time. And there were reasons behind it. Not that I've given up on Flickr, because I know Flickr works. It is just that I found out a few things, since the time I launched Flickr and how it was received, that kind of thing, okay? Number one, I realized that many people do not enjoy using a safe trading EA. Yeah, it's true. Okay, safe trading EA would mean that it takes a longer time to enter into a trade, that kind of thing. And I feel that, and I realize not many people they do enjoy that. And not only that, people like seeing results. Okay, they like to see backtests. They believe in those numbers, and if possible they like to see how is it performing live. Okay, now before you, this is EA Stack live. Okay, and yes, I've been silent because I've been testing EA Stack, and yes, it is now a month plus in performance. Okay, yes, I've run backtests as well, but I figured that it will be more sellable in the sense that if you could see for yourself how is it performing. Okay, so this is EA Stack, okay, which is also based on Flickr. That's why you see Flickr Ultimate here. Now, for those of you who are new to the channel, Flickr Ultimate basically is like the collection of stuff that you can toy with to come up with your own strategy based on the knowledge that you know. And I realized that not many people likes this too, okay, and they would prefer a strategy given to them pre-made, and then they just use it and slap it onto a chart. Okay, they are not so keen on toying, trying, testing, with the vast array of features available to come up with a strategy that works according to what they know. Okay, many people they are not too interested in that. Okay, and this before you, it is EA Stack, the latest from Flickr. Okay, so this is live, and this is a very good example of the perfect scenario, I hope, or that I saw how this EA could work. Okay, now EA Stack, what's so special about it? Okay, now all Flickr products, it follows the trend. Okay, you can choose it to go against the trend, you can choose to set it to follow the trend, but for EA Stack, it follows the trend. And it uses a confluence up to 5 indicators. Right now it's using 2, if not mistaken, 2, if not 3, okay, to enter a trade or position. No, I think it's 2, okay. Now, it is literally set and forget, utilizes a low risk strategy, and the dashboard which allows you to override and take control of your trades. Okay, now this is more for those who are more experienced as a manual trader, okay, and it is user friendly. Okay, so this is EA Stack. Now, safe low risk trading. Now, if you notice, this is using martingale. Okay, now how is it low risk? Because there has been talks like people saying martingale strategy will blow up over time. Okay, well, it all depends on how you set it actually, and I believe the thing is this. Okay, why it blows is sometimes when it reaches a certain level, the EA wasn't set to take profit, for example, to exit a trade when the trend has like exhausted itself. Well, the EA would not know, and then by the time you want to get out of it, there are no features that are being introduced to support it, like to exit a trade. Okay, most EAs that you find in the market today, they do not come with an exit strategy, but Flickr has it. However, EA Stack doesn't come included with one, because I just want to show you the basic of what and a strategy that that's based on Flickr can do. Okay, so now this is based on martingale, and if you could just look at this, okay, it started or it entered the trade at the highest or at the tip. Okay, now if you look at this, okay, so this is like this, the resistance, okay, the resistance level, and it entered a position here, then it went lower, lower, lower. Now I really hope that that it ran like 2 more positions lower, okay, because the more positions that it stack, the more profits that you get when the market retraces or reverses. Okay, so what happened was it started one here, second, third. Okay, it went in order. Okay, it built up, it stacked up. Okay, and then at this point, then it started to reverse. Okay, it's either reverse or not. Okay, now but if you were to look at the whole market of how it has been, okay, if you just can I make this chart like, okay, let's just look at 4 hourly. It is on an uptrend. Okay, it is on an uptrend, and the market has dropped like a lot, and it is now slowly getting or going back up. Okay, so I believe that at this point it will still go higher, and it will try to break this resistance level. Okay, you try to go much higher to recover. Okay, but I'm not sure when will it be, because no one can tell. We can just predict. Okay, we can just analyze based on how the market has been, and yeah. Okay, and I only started the stack the stack strategy like a month ago, and yeah, I've also have the signal over here. Okay, and this will show you how it performed. Okay, so the first one I've gotten like 30+%. Okay, and I feel that yes, it is quite promising. Okay, now these two, okay, if you see, I deposited another 10,000 in it, and what happened was this: I wanted to get the bonus depositing, but then yeah, it didn't work. Okay, so I deposited and then I withdrew the 10,000 there on the very same day. Okay, so yes, that's why you saw this spike here. Okay, the balance equity like a sharp one, and then went back down. Okay, so yes, the sector. Now, I won't say that this is 100% safe EA. Okay, EA stack is not 100% safe EA. In fact, if you were to consider getting this EA, I would advise you to monitor on and off, and to so decide whether do you want to exit the trade or not. For example, now it's on the profit of 34, 35 US dollars. Do you want to exit or not? Okay, knowing that it is now consolidating at this area, and there is a very high chance that it might just break out and then it go back up again. Okay, now basically the higher it goes up, the more profit that you get, because the lowest position is at 0.06 lot size, and as it stacks upwards, okay, you get more profit. Okay, this is why it's called EA stack. Now, if you are able to control this, okay, I'd like to explain to you, a very brief, like, how this panel works. Okay, now if you look at this, okay, new basket, now it is green, buy is green, sell is green, close all, there's this button. All these are buttons. Okay, now if you were to click on it, it will turn red. Okay, when you click on it and it turns red, basically what it means is that it will stop opening new baskets. Okay, so once this whole set of positions closes in profit, it will not trade or open a new basket anymore. Basically that's what it means. Okay, now so if it's back to green, and if you were to click on buy, with buy being red, that means the EA stack will be only opening sell positions. So even if it goes up, it will still open a sell position. This is what it means. Okay, and if you click on sell and it's red, okay, this means that it will only open buy positions. Now it makes total sense that if it goes up, you should force the EA to open only buy positions, right? Correct? Okay, now this is something that you can do, and if you just want to just close the entire basket, okay, you do not need to click one by one on the crosses. You can just click on close all, then all of the positions or the basket will just close in profit or losses. Okay, so yes, and then their stats here as well. Okay, so profit, okay, and then total profit so far, okay, since EA stack started running last month. Okay, so up to date he has gotten $380 in terms of profit. Today has gotten nothing yet, max DD is still at 0. Okay, and then yes, this was when it started running, I'm mistaken. Okay, so yes, so this is EA Stack, and it is something new, and it is something that I don't think you'll be able to find in the market today. Okay, so if you so want to consider purchasing it, you can just visit, okay, EA Stacks page and then grab it down. It's only 69 US dollars. Okay, and it is, feature pack. Okay, you can modify it, change it according to how you want to trade it. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and yes, if you were to ask me, can you use this for FTMO? Yes, you can, but I would say this, that it is not optimized for FTMO because EA Stack trades long, as in it holds trade positions overnight. Okay, and depending on which stage are you at on FTMO, some at certain stages you're not allowed to have positions holding overnight, that kind of thing. Okay, it doesn't have that, and it doesn't have the news filter as well. Okay, because I just wanted to launch this EA just to show it to you. Okay, just to let you see how it performs live, okay, and how it has been doing so far. Okay, so yeah, if you like one that trades with FTMO for FTMO, I would say this: you can still use EA Stack, but you need to do some modifications, like the starting lot size, because Stack starts with just 0.01 lot, and then in order to get the target profit that is required on FTMO within that stipulated time, you will need to tweak it, fine tune it, so that the target profit is reached easier. But then if you're using this as well, as long as it is in profit, you can still retake that challenge. I mean, right? Okay, that's what FTMO is about. Well, as long as you're trading or you have started on a challenge or verification, as long as it is in profit, you can reattempt, you can ask for a retry, second run. Okay, that kind of thing. Okay, so this is EA Stack. Grab yours today. It's only 69 US dollars and it works. Okay, thanks for watching. See ya. Bye. Oh, coming soon, EA Wave. Okay, a different strategy, even a much more safer trader, EA, than Stack. Okay, so yeah, see ya. Bye.